Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a good day so far. So in this video today we'll be building a Glassmorphism team profile cards project. So on our browser we have 3 cards and each of them has an image, a name, and their position, also a button along with 3 social media icons, the Facebook icon, Instagram, and Twitter. And I added some hover effects onto them so that when you hover over it, it glows and also has a reflection. And you don't really have to add this heading, but you can if you want. I just added it there for you guys to see what this project was. And if you want to go find these pictures, go to unsplash.com, and they have thousands and hundreds of thousands of high resolution photos. You can search anything like hello, and you can just save it into your file, or maybe just copy the image link and then just paste it into your HTML just like that. And yeah, that's basically what this website is about. It has a lot of high resolution photos, so I recommend you guys go check out this website. It's free and has high resolution photos. So anyways, now let's get right into the video. And once again, this video will be a time lapse, so in 3, 2, 1, enjoy the video, and I'll see you at the end of the video.